Hi everyone and welcome to Stu's Old Cars. In this video I will be removing the front seats and the carpets and mats, probably not the tunnel one for now, and then we can inspect the floor. So yeah, let's get to it, and thank you for joining me. Right, so you got 4 bolts in the seat, one there, and 2 at the front. So we'll start by getting these back ones out. This can sometimes be a bit rusty, I believe, but let's see how we go. No, that one's loose. Oh, and my ratchets had a fit. The one out there, so you lean the seat forward, make it a bit easier. And that one's loose as well. Right, that's the back 2 out. Hopefully you can see something. Yeah, right, hopefully you can see what I'm doing. If not, you won't even see this part of the video. Right, so move the seat back. See, we need to go back a bit more than that, really. See if we can go back a bit further. There we go. And then one's loose as well. Excellent. Well, I never thought they'd be that loose. Obviously, whoever put them in last time didn't do them up very tight. Right, so that's the 4 bolts out, and that's the seat out. Oh look! Oh look, we got a present. Look. Well, I haven't got any ratchet spanners, but I have one now. Bonus. Right, so we got all the seats out now, and as I suspected, the floor's in pretty good condition. It's been welded before, which I knew, but it does appear to have been done in a very high standard, so that's all good. But we'll have a look over that side as well, but it's basically the same. It's all good. I might remove all of that sound deadening and then give it a coat of paint at some point, but not at the moment. Right, yeah. What I have found is there's these little bungs in the top of here. So what I'm going to do is stick a boroscope down there. I just bought a little boroscope so we can have a look and make sure the internal seal's okay, because you've got like the outer, then you've got the, I don't know what you call these bits. I know there's a castle rail underneath. You've got the outer seal, the inner seal, and then there's like another centre seal part, maybe. I don't know if you call it that or not, but yeah, so we're gonna put that down there and then we can have a look in there. Right, yeah, so that cheap boroscope was about £7 on eBay. I thought it might be a good idea to be able to look down, but to be honest, it's a waste of time. Can't really see anything. So, but the fact that everything else has been done, I'm going to presume that it's all good inside of there. There's no bubbling on the outside of the seals, so yeah, we'll presume it's all good in there because I'm not cutting it all open to look. Oh, right, for this video that is going to be it. Thanks for watching.